I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Now here search and select Encharge. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API, please visit Encharge API console. Copy the API key and paste it here. Click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Give one or multiple tags. Now do the field mapping. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Encharge. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and fill it up with data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Encharge. Here is the data that came into Encharge through the integration. Thanks for watching.